Hi everyone, Hans here. Today I thought I'd give you a look at my relatively new and improved setup for Amiga graphics driver development. So I've been looking at how can I be more productive, and one of the things I looked at is how I'm building things. Now, this is my current Amiga, which I have a faster one back home in New Zealand, which I don't have access to. The A1222. Now it's a nice little machine, but it's not the fastest. So I have moved all compiling is now done on this laptop. This laptop's got a Core i7, I think about 8 cores, so I can do a parallel build. Building on this machine is just way faster than that one. So I've moved all the build scripts and everything over to here. And then what I've done is I've created these little batch files. They're quite easy to create. I've got one for the FTP server, the Radeon RX driver, and Warp 3D Nova. If I just double click on one of them, it was probably too fast for you to even notice what it did. It opened a PuTTY window because I have a serial link between the two machines, and that's for monitoring debug information that I print out. It opened up a console window, and that's for compiling, and the text editor that I'm currently using, which is Notepad++. And then, so what I've also done, let's just go to one of the driver directories, is I've added a remote install build rule, which, let me run that now. Remote install, and then -J8 to get the parallel build. And what that does is that'll build it and then use FTP to upload it to the Amiga using my own Zeta FTP server. That's one of the reasons I wrote the FTP server. I wanted a secure method of copying my compiled files from this machine to the Amiga. So it looks like it's almost done. Yep, I have to enter the password here, and then you'll see it uploads it here, and then from here I can test it. Now, again, I've done the same thing here. I kind of wish I'd got into DOS scripting a little bit earlier. I always avoided it, preferring to use GUIs, graphical user interfaces, but it's actually been to my detriment over the years, and that there are a lot of things that I do repeatedly that can be automated quite easily just by writing a simple little script. So I've got one here, Warp 3D Nova dev, and what that does is it opens up directory Opus, so I can look at the results, test results, and it also changes the directory to my Warp 3D Nova test directory. So what I can do now is run my automated tests. There we go. This can run the entire Warp 3D Nova test suite, and that way I'll know if anything's broken or if anything is. Usually, if I'm doing bug fixes, there'll be a particular test I want to run, but before I release anything, I'll run the entire test suite. So that's what's running right now. So this new setup, relatively new. I've been using it for a few months now. It's definitely helped. It's cut down the build times by a lot. And I've made a few improvements to the automated testing as well, just so I can get things through faster. Right? It's not just building faster. I want to be able to test faster and then release faster so I can get feedback from beta testers and end users. Anyway, that's it for this week. Hope you're all well, and I'll see you next time.